University. It was a branding boot camp. I didn't plan for it to become a company. I certainly had no vision of it becoming a multi-million-dollar enterprise. I didn't even think you could work. I didn't even know what coaching was. I didn't know I had coaching as a gift. Not everybody who is a coach is gifted to coach. Not everybody who is teaching is gifted to teach. And not everybody who is successful is capable of showing you also how to become successful. I've learned that that is an actual assignment and it's a calling. And that's why it's so cluttered in the marketplace right now and why it's a little bit, I would say exhausting, because you've got people who are just doing things because it's available, not that it's a part of their alignment, right? But as I was doing this, I started seeing this pattern. I remember I was sitting at a Delta Airlines event. Delta was one of my clients at the time. And this woman from Home Depot, very senior, super senior C-level executive, getting ready to transition out and leave. And she's like, I'm not sure what this next season is about. And I just took out a napkin. I turned the napkin over so there was no logo on it. And I drew this map. This was, I think, around between 2010 and 11-ish. And I drew this map, and I looked at it, and she says, oh, I'm right there. And I've taught it a little bit here and there to those in the Confidence Business School. But what I recognized is that this is the process of purpose. And I hope to be able to actually be able to do deep dives and deep training on those of you who want to learn how to teach others how to step into their purpose, to provide a framework very similar to the 5 love languages, where there's a new language that you learn to speak and very clear directions so that you can use your story on a map that is universal to all of us. And so Believe Bigger, the book, goes through these 5 stages of how I found myself and helping other women find themselves by going through these 5 stages that I've went through, that I can see now how to guide other people through their own 5 stages so that they can guide other people, and just to see where they're at in the process so there's not as much anxiety that you're behind or that you're somewhere else. We haven't had a map. We just haven't had a map. Everyone said that you're just supposed to know your purpose, but here's the deal. Most of believers don't know it. 99.9% of the body of Christ does not understand their purpose. If you ask them, they can't articulate it. Tell me I'm wrong. Tell me I'm wrong. Tell me we don't know it, so we just listen to other people who do. Not on my watch, not anymore. I'm going to do my part, but I want to train up some others who can go out and teach this as well, yes?